The 2026 Matilda Motorhome is a revolutionary vehicle that reimagines the concept of luxury travel. It blends cutting-edge design with cutting-edge technology and the capability to function independently of the grid. In addition to providing a seamless blend of elegance and utility, this product was developed exclusively for travelers who are looking for comfort and independence in their travels. The main cabin features comfy leather couches, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows, all of which work together to produce an atmosphere that is conducive to relaxation and enjoyment that is relaxing and enjoyable. The inside features include a large lounge area for guests to relax in. Fully equipped kitchen. A modern kitchen is outfitted with a variety of current appliances, including an induction cooktop, a convection oven, a full-size refrigerator, and a large amount of storage space. This makes it possible to prepare delicious meals while traveling. The private sleeping rooms of the motorhome are equipped with a queen-size bed, high-quality linen, and a variety of storage options. This assures that travelers will have a restful night's sleep while they are traveling in the motorhome. Luxurious bathroom. A full bathroom that includes a rainfall shower, an eco-friendly toilet, and stunning fixtures ensures that you have all the comforts of home, even while you are away from home. Both performance capabilities and off-grid capabilities are available. Stable and controllable chassis. The Matilda Motorhome is built on a well-constructed platform, which enables it to traverse a wide range of terrains while simultaneously giving stability and direction. Off-grid systems. This system is equipped with water purification systems, solar panels, and a lithium battery bank, which enables it to be used for extended periods of time without the need to connect to the grid. Advanced safety features. These features will ensure that passengers are safe while they are riding. Some examples of these features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and 360-degree cameras. Investigate it further. In addition to providing you with a visual experience of the above features, the video that is provided below will also provide you with a comprehensive tour of the 2026 Matilda Motorhome. It should come as no surprise that the 2026 Matilda Motorhome is an outstanding choice for people who are looking for a vacation experience that is not only luxurious, but also self-sufficient.